So you might think I'm mad, but today we're going to have a look at the Hornby 2021 Merry Christmas 7-plank wagon. These are available now. I know at the time of recording it's only September, but Christmas will soon be upon us, and if you're looking to get some things in advance, in preparation, little gifts, this is ideal. Coming in with a retail price of £18.75. This is a perfect stocking filler, ideal little gift for that person who has a model railway, or even just for a little train set to run around underneath your tree. So this is the new Hornby 2021 Christmas wagon. That is R60019 7-plank wagon Christmas 2021. So let's get into the packaging and take a closer look. So as you can see, it comes in the more railroad or older style of packaging inside, where it's like a vacuum formed insert with a bit of tissue paper holding the wagon itself. So let's take it out. And there you go. This is the Merry Christmas 2021 Hornby printed on the side there, and I would imagine, yes, it's exactly the same on the opposite side. Very nice metal wheels, D-shaped couplings, so ideal for all your Christmas sets or basic starter sets. It's in the red this year because they change every year. There's plenty of detail on the chassis there. It is just a generic chassis, but there is plenty of detail there, and after all, it is probably going to run around under your tree or possibly on your layout as a bit of a Christmas special. Also ideal for anyone who's running the Thomas & Friends locomotives and models on their layout. So as in other years, this is a resin molding. It's been painted up. We've got a few of these now. We've got some on the Santa's Express. I think we've got a couple of those in the blue. They came individually with 2 of the Santa Express sets that we purchased, and I believe we got last year's 2020 Merry Christmas wagon as well. So absolutely ideal, lovely little wagon, not very much money at all, and just an ideal little addition to the layouts. And as you can see here, all of the parcels are painted up. There's even a lovely little teddy bear there. Plenty of detail on that teddy bear there, all picked out as well. All the bows, different, lots of colour on there, lots and lots of colour. We've got some brass instrument horns there, balls, candy canes, and various different shapes and sizes of present. Ideal little gift there for anybody looking for things for this Christmas 2021. Under £20. I've put a link in the description. Have a look. That'll take you straight through to Hornby. These are available now. And if you can't get one on Hornby's website, have a look at your local retailer. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, click on the round button. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch some more, there's another video at the top of the screen and there's a playlist at the bottom. See you again soon.